Morning students and welcome to our YouTube channel Vinan Manjari Modern School. So in the previous video we have just completed our chapter number 2. In that we have seen some of the adaptations of animals, plants, aquatic animals, terrestrial animals and all the other animals and all the different parts, and also the plants in the desert plants, desert animals, high mountain plants, and that all the thing we have seen in this lesson. Now moving further to the exercise. Okay, so in the exercise, now I have just given you the homework, that was question number 1. So in the exercise, question number 1 is MCQ. Sorry, match the following, not MCQ. So in that you can see the first one, that is column A and column B are given, that is cactus. So cactus is where polar region, powerful kick, flat top trees, coniferous trees and desert. So here it will be A first, A, it will be fifth, that is desert. Then after B, that is snowy owl. So snowy owl, that is seen in the polar regions. So B, that is first polar region. Okay, then after mountainous region, so where there is coniferous trees, C, that is fourth one, coniferous trees. Okay, then after D, that is windy places, that is three, that is flat topped trees. Okay, then after next, that is E, ostrich, that is second one, powerful kick. Okay students, so these are the answers, you just write down. Now I am just writing the question number 2, that is MCQ, answers over this side. That is a frog uses its dash to breathe under water, that is scales, lungs or moist skin. So in the A, it will be 3, moist skin. Okay, then after B, dash have hollow bones, that is birds, reptiles and fish. So here we have seen birds have hollow bones. B, that is first one, birds. Okay, C, that is xerophytes have dash roots, long, short or fibrous. Then here it will be first one, that is long. Then after D, that is the yak is the beast of burden in dash, Tibet, Actama desert or Kalahari desert. So here it will be 1, D, that is 1 Tibet. Okay. Then after E, fair, pin and deodar grows in dash region, that is desert, mountainous or tropical. So here it will be E, that is mountainous, mountainous. Okay students, now moving towards the question number 3, that is fill in the blanks. But before that, you just write down the answers of question number 1 and question number 2. Then after we will see question number 3 and 4. Okay students, please write down this. Okay students, I have written down the answer. Now moving towards next, that is question number 3. Question number 3, that is fill in the blanks. Okay, then after here, birds have dash shaped body and dash bones. So here we know that birds have boat shaped body and hollow bones. So here in the A it will be boat, and in the another blank that is hollow. Okay, then after B, that is dash and dash are desert animals. So here it will be camel and lizard. Camel, lizard are the desert animals. Then after, camels have a special dash in which they can store up to 70 liters of water. So here it will be stomach like pouches. So C, that is okay, stomachs like pouch. Then after teeth, the reindeer have dash to enable them to walk on the snow and ice, that is flat holes. D, that is flat holes. Then after E, that is flowers that bloom during the day are dash and those that bloom at night are dash. So here bright the color, first one, during day they are bright colored, and another one at night is they are white. Okay, so please write down. Then after question number 4. Question number 4, that is true or false. In that, the first one, leaves of aquatic plants have a waxy surface. Here, leaves of aquatic plants have waxy surface. Is it true or false? Then it is true. Okay. Then after, lizards and kangaroo rats live in desert feeding during the day. No. They feed at night when they feel safe. B, that is false. Then after, C, cactus has short roots. No, that is also false. That has long roots. Okay. Then after, D, that is the snowy owl in the polar region has white feathers so that it can be seen at night. No, that is also false. D, that is false. Then after, E, trees in windy regions are flat topped. Yes, that is true. Okay, that is true. Okay, students. Now, please write down the answers of question number 3. Fill in the blanks and question number 4, true or false. Okay, now moving towards the question number 4, but we will just orally discuss the question answers over here and the PDF will be sent in your respective group. Okay, so here we will just discuss the question answers. So here that is question number 5, question answers, that is mention some protective features of animals. So here when you just open the first page of the introduction of this chapter, so here you can see some of the adaptative features in animals are as follows. The first one, defensive mechanism as seen in the sun, which squirts a foul smelling liquid to chase away enemies. The second one, the special body parts such as a head-edged dog's bristle, which it uses to defend itself. Third one, animals that prey on or hunt other animals such as lions, tigers and leopards have sharp teeth and claws. Animals preyed upon or hunted such as deer, buffalo and antelope have horns to protect themselves. Then after camouflage, the stoat is usually reddish brown in color, but in the northern latitude where it is snow during winter, the stoat has a snowy white fur coated that blends with the background. This is called the camouflage, a type of adaptation. So here are some of the protective features of the animals. Second question, why do the chameleon change their color? So here you can see in the last paragraph of page number 153, chameleon changes their color according to their background. It is a kind of camouflage that helps them to hide from the predator. The most here, the first two lines. Then after, what are amphibians? Give two examples. So amphibians, what are amphibians that we have seen? That are crocodiles and frogs. They both are amphibians. Okay, students, and you can see they can breathe both in land and in water. Then after, how is the frog adapted to living in water? So here, how the frog is adapted, that is, the webbed feet of the frog helps it to swim in water and its long hind legs helps it to lead around on land. The frog has a moist skin through which it can breathe in water and lungs through which it can breathe on land. Okay, thus it is adapted to live on both land and animals. Then after, how are birds adapted for flying? So here, how the birds are adapted for flying, that are here in the page number 155, that is, birds having hollow bones and light boat-shaped bodies that helps them to fly in the air. They have three kinds of feathers: soft down feathers that helps them warm, flight feathers that help them fly, and tail feathers help them to steer. And okay, these are some of the birds. How do the desert animals have behaved during the day and at night? Desert animals. So here in the next page, desert animals, that is, here these are scorpions, kangaroo rats, insects and snakes on the desert burrowing to the sand where then it is shady and cool. They come out to the field at night when it is cooler and safer. So that is the answer. Then after, what are xeropathes? Here, xeropathes, plants that grow in the desert are called the xeropathes. So here we have just discussed the question answers. Now we will just move towards the chapter number 3, that is dispersal of seeds. Chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. Dispersal of seeds. Okay. So here in this chapter we will discuss that the seeds, how they are dispersed. So what here we will see, the dispersion of the seeds. Means we all know that if I just take an example of mango, what happened in the mango, if you just open the mango, there is a big seed inside the mango. So what happened when the just mango come down or broke down and just fall on the ground, what happens? The animals, okay, just what they do, they just eat the mango. And what happened? They just eat the mango and go with take it with them. Then after a distance, they will just throw the seed, and there is a chance to grow the seed where they have put. Okay, the mango tree can be grow. So this is all about the disperser of the seeds. So now let us see the introduction part. So here, have you ever seen a single mango or a banyan tree growing in a large field? Have you wondered how that single tree came there? Was it planted there? No, the seed could have reached by there by the chance, by some method or the other. Okay. Now, let us see this. So plants reproduce through many methods, through seeds, stems or roots of the mother plant, and the most common method of reproduction is through seeds. Okay. Now the plant first bear flowers which turn into fruits. The fruit enclose one or more seeds. These seeds grow into new plants that are similar to the parent plant. Not all seeds reproduced by plant can grow into new plants. Find out how many peas are there in a pea pod. Mustard seeds are enclosed in similar pods, each pod having more mustard seeds than there are peas in a pod. A plant bears hundreds of pods. Not all the seeds in all the pods grow into plants. There is not enough space for them. A mango tree may bear hundreds of fruits a year, but all the seeds from the mango will not grow into the tree. Moreover, not all the seeds are fit to grow here. They are just saying that if we just talk in the pea beans, so what happens here? In that, what happens? That is, all the seeds in a year, the mango tree gives many of the mangoes, but all the mango seed will not grow a mango tree, but for only few will just grow a new mango tree. Okay, students. So they have told in the pea pods what happened. There are many of the peas up to 5 to 6, but if you will just grow that, it will not grow. Only some will grow. Okay, students. Now moving further, that is dispersal of seeds. So why the dispersal of seeds is necessary? First of all, see here, that is dispersal of seeds. So the first, that is why it is necessary, that is to prevent overcrowding of plant under or near the parent plant. Okay, so why the first of all disposal of seeds is necessary? Here, to prevent overcrowding of plants under or near the parent plant. So what will happen? Here, what will do if the mango tree will just give mango and they will just disperse nearby only, then what will be there? There will be only mango trees all over there. So what will happen? This all they all have what? The similar kinds of nutrition they required. So what happened? Due to the overcrowding, all will not get the enough nutrition. So if they just grow after some distance, then they will get all the nutrition which are required over there. Okay students, now here next point, that is natural resorts to scattering of seeds away from the parent plant. Seeds are dispersed by wind, water, animals, birds and human beings. So how the seeds are dispersed? So there are the way seeds are dispersed by wind, water, animals, birds and human beings. So here first of all I will just tell how they are dispersed by the wind, water, animals, birds and human beings. Okay students. So here what happens is, by wind, first of all talking how these seeds are dispersed by the wind. Okay students, so if I just say that how these seeds are dispersed by the wind, then I will say that we have seen some of the seeds which are very soft and light, which can easily move through the wind. So what will happen, as the seeds just fall on the ground, so due to wind, what will happen, they will just go away by the help of the wind and their seeds will grow over there. Okay, if there is a suitable weather and condition and they have enough in that soil, enough nutritions are there over it, then only they will grow, else they will not grow. And as I have said earlier, all the seeds will not grow, only few seeds will grow. Then after talking about the water, so how the dispersion of seeds by water is done. So here we have seen the coconut tree which is near the sea area, means in the sea area this is near. Okay, so how it just dispersed in the coconut, when just fall down, it will go into the water and the water will move that coconut to the other parts. So what will happen here, what it is that they will just move towards the other plant, and what will they do, they will just grow over there. Okay, that is the dispersal by the water. Okay students, now moving further to by the animals, that is animals have what, animals just eat the if I just see the mango tree, then what will happen, the mango will be eaten by the animals and they will just disperse the seed far from it. Okay students, and this will just grow over there a mango tree. Now talking about the birds, so what will be by the birds, that is how the birds will disperse the seeds, they will just eat and just fly away to the other part of the, just farther from the area, and they will just throw down and the seeds will grow over there if there is a suitable weather and condition over it. Then after human beings, that we will study further. Okay, now so here need for dispersal of the seeds. Okay students, from here we will continue in the next video. So in your homework, what you just do is you just start writing the fair book. I will just provide PDF with the video link. Okay, you have to write down the previous chapters question answer in your fair book. Okay students, bye.